Hello everyone, welcome back to grade 12th physical education class. Dear students, continue 5th chapter revision children and women in sports. Last day we will discuss is the specially deformities in our body. What is deformity and how many deformities? Okay, so deformities types is last day we will discuss kyphosis, scoliosis, lordosis, bow legs, no knee, and flat feet. Last lessons we will discuss, but today we will discuss is specially corrective measure for posture deformity. Our topic is today corrective measure for posture deformity. Last day discuss is the main deformities: bow legs, kyphosis, scoliosis, lordosis, and flat feet. But today our topic is the corrective measure for posture deformity. First, give me attendance. After they start this topic is chapter 5 revision, chapter and women in sports, and our topic is the corrective measure for posture deformities. Okay. First, give me attendance. I Harmanpreet Kaur, beta video is clear and audio. Harmanpreet Kaur, beta video and audio is clear. Send me message. Okay. Okay, thank you, dear. So, dear, our topic is today corrective measure for posture deformities. Especially posture deformity is the main. Correcting the posture is a major task. So, appropriate remainder actions should be started in case of any problem. Bad posture exerts unused stress on muscles, tissues, or ligament of the body segments. Physical activity play an important role as corrective measure for different deformities. Especially physical activities not only help to correct the deformities, they also help the person to prevent from the different deformities. Physical activities make the body muscles and bones strong and healthy. So physical activities also make other system of the body healthy, which help to grow and prevent the various deformities. Some of the physical activity are explained below. Firstly, activities strengthening exercises, stretching exercises. Yeah, strengthening exercises. Strengthening means power related. These exercises are used to provide strength to the muscles depending on the postural defect. Specific strengthening exercises can be planned. Second is back exercises. Weakness of back muscles is the main reason of main postural deformities. The strengthen, yeah, especially to strengthen these muscles, some workout in the form of back exercises must be done. After this, third is the specific exercises. Specific exercises means some specific exercises are essential or corrective measure for common postural deformities. These are explained as below. So first is the corrective measure corrective measure for postural deformity. First deformity is the corrective measures for kyphosis. Okay, first corrective measures for kyphosis. Okay, so especially first is the corrective measure of kyphosis. So kyphosis, especially this type of deformities improving related, yeah, corrective measure is the first is lie down in spine posture. For example, on the back, yeah, this is Feet should be flat on the ground with knees down, up and hands at side. This is practical based activities all. Okay. Move arms sideways in horizontal position with uh, palms facing upward. Okay. Raise your arms upward and over the head. Hold the position for some time and then come back to the previous position. Repeat the 10 to 12 times. This is the first. Second is the lie down in pawn position. Uh, for example, on the chest with your hands resting on hips. No, raise your head and trunk several inches for the ground with chain trunk in. Hold the position for some time and then come back to the previous position. Repeat the 10 to 12 times. Third is the sit in a normal position with the stick held in horizontal position overhead with well spread hands. Lower the stick and then raise it behind head and shoulder. While exercising, keep your head and trunk straight. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. Fourth is the foam rolling exercises. Especially place the roller under the hips. Keep the abs tight as if you were doing a crutch, using the legs rope back and front. The roller should start at the low back and stop just short of the shoulder blades. Repeat for 10 repetition on 30 seconds. This is the specially corrective measure for kyphosis. Okay, this is the first. So second point is the main. Second is the corrective measures for lordosis. Second point is lordosis. Especially this type of deformities improving for corrective measure is the lie down in prone position with hands under abdomen, then keeping hips at shoulder done. Press hands up and abdomen and raise lower back. Next is the lie down on the floor on your back. Pull your knees slowly into your chest. Inhales with deep breath. When you are performing the exercises, hold the position for 30 to 50 seconds. Third is the in standing position, bend your knee and hold on your ankle. When you pull your leg back, next is tight your pelvis forward, hold the stretch position for 25 to 30 seconds. Fourth exercise is the lie down on the floor on your back with feet on the floor and knee bent. Then lift your toes off and floor to 30-degree angle and come back slowly to the starting position. Repeat this exercises 10 times. After this, next is the sit with your legs extended. Now stretch your legs forward and try to touch the forehead to the knees while holding the feet with hands. Hold the position for some time and then come back to the previous position. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. This is the corrective measures for lordosis. After this, next point is the corrective measures for scoliosis. Third point is for scoliosis. Okay. This is scoliosis. So specially main scoliosis related is the scoliosis is the one common defect that can contribute to scoliosis is to different in leg length. Step up on a stair with a long leg, lower the opposite leg to the floor as you bend onto one knee. While bending, raise the arm that is on the same side as your lowered leg up as high as possible. For example, if you are lowered your left leg, raise up your left arm. Perform 2 to 3 steps of 5 to 10 repetitions of the exercise. Do it on the one side only. Okay. So next point is the perform downward facing dog stretch. Okay. Stretching. Being in a palm position, keep your hands on the floor for balanced and push your hips and buttocks slowly into the air so that your body makes a triangle shape with the floor as the base of the triangle. Hold this position for 5 seconds and then lower down slowly into palm position once more. So do 2 to 3 steps of 5 to 10 repeats each. This is the main perform downward facing dog stretch. After this, next point is the main third. This is the corrective measures for corrective measurement for scoliosis. After this, main is next. Lie down in prone position. For example, on your chest with your arm and leg extended. Now raise your right arm and left leg together and hold this position for 5 to 10 steps. This will cause a strength in your lower back. Repeat on the other side as well. Do this 10 times. Next is the side stretch. Side stretch also is the main. Start by standing with your feet apart. Now bend your body towards one side. One of your hands should be close to head while the other tries to touch the floor. This exercise helps to stretch the tight muscles. This position is similar to Ardha Chakra Asana. This is the yogic asana, all exercises. After this, next point is the corrective measures for knock knee. Corrective measures for knock knee. So knock knee, especially corrective measures of knock knee related. First exercise is the main is the especially horse riding. Horse riding also is the best exercises. Yeah, best corrective measure for posture deformity in a knock knee. Horse riding. Okay, due to childhood especially. Okay, whenever muscles are soft. Okay, so next is the walking caliper may also be used. Next is especially yoga related asana is the vriksha asanas. It is balanced on one foot while other leg is flexed, resting on other leg. Next is padmasana. Padmasana, this is the sitting asana yoga. So especially it is sitting with crossed legs is such a way that feet should touch the opposite hip while hands are on the knees and back is straight. This is the Padma Asana. Okay, after this, next is the keep a pillow between the knees and press the legs towards each other. Next is outward walking. In this person tries to walk over the outer edges of feet while the inner part of sole is rested up. Okay, this is best exercises for correcting measures for measurement for posture deformity in knock knee. After this, next is correcting measures for flat feet. For so flat feet is, this is first corrective measure for posture deformity flat feet is raise the body slowly on the heels while standing, body balance on toes, whereas hands and head are raised up. Come back in normal position. Repeat the exercise in 10 times. So next is the walk where footed over the shan't. Okay. Next is run where footed over clean surface. Next is jumping on toes regularly. Okay. After this, perform rope skipping regularly. Okay. Next is walk on the toes. This is specially corrective measures for flat feet exercises. Okay. Next is the specially after this one. Beta, all are clear? Next point is the sixth topic is corrective measure for round shoulder. Measures for round shoulder. Round shoulder, especially round shoulder is the main. First is sit on a chair, rest the back against it, pull the shoulders backward and see upward. Second is keep your tips of finger on your shoulder and rotate the elbows in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Okay, for equal number of times. This is especially for corrective measurement for round shoulder. Next is hold the horizontal bar for some time. Next is keep your chin upward, head straight and chest forward while standing, walking and sitting. After this, yogic asana is related is the chakrasana. It is in this asana, body is lifted up while hands and feet are on the surface. Next is dhanurasana. From laying position, the upper and lower body is raised up with the support of hands. Body balance on the abdomen. This is the specially corrective measures for round shoulder. Okay, so after this, next point is the main corrective measures of bow legs. So firstly, one to more posture deformity for round shoulder is the especially Bhujangasana also. Okay, Bhujangasana is the from prone laying position. The upper part of the body is raised up while looking up. Next is Ushastasana. From the position of Vajrasana, body is bent backward while chest rest up, hands hold and anchor while looking back. This is the Ardha Machendra Asana related. Okay, Utkodasana this is. So especially this asana is the corrective measures for round shoulder. Okay, so after this, next is the corrective measures for bow leg. This is the second last deformity. bow legs. So especially bow legs related is the, it means first is bow leg, opposite is the knock knee. Especially bow leg is the first walk on the bow leg is the, especially corrective measure for bow leg is the first walk on the inner edge of the feet for some distance regularly. Okay, so next is walking inward. Try to walk by bending the toes inward. Next is put a roller up towards between your knees. Stand with your feet a few inches from each other. Yeah, sequence the towards between your legs. Keep your knees strength and bend forward to touch your toes. Go as low as you can, then come back up and raise your arm overhead. Repeat 10 times. It means alternate toe touching exercises. Next is the Ardha Chakrasana. In this asana, person starts bending sidewards, one hand stay close to head while other push toward the leg. Next is Garuda Asana, especially yogic asana, especially corrective measure for bow legs is the second is Garuda Asana. In this asana, body balance over one leg while over other leg is rolled over the outer leg. Hands are also rolled in front of face. Next is third asana is the Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Ardha Matsyendra Asana is the in the crossed leg sitting position. One leg is placed over the other so that the foot touches the opposite hip, whereas one hand supports the leg and the other roll over the spine. This is the Ardha Machendra Asanas, corrective measure for bow legs. So dear students, I hope you are understand this topic, corrective measures for posture deformities. So any student doubt for related this any one topic, please send message. I am clear your doubt for especially corrective measures for posture deformities all. Okay, today explained all kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, flat feet, knock knee, bow leg. Okay, all. So anyone doubt, please send me message in chat box. After this, again I explain your doubt session. Okay, students. No one send me message. I hope you are understand this topic, but I am again explain main topic for related this corrective measurement for deformities related. Especially last day we will discuss is the deformities. What is deformity? So deformity is the different our body postures. This means deformity related, especially deformity is the malformation of any component of or body part or joint of the body falling are the common postural deformities. The deformities related especially is the spinal curvature, it means spinal curvature related, knock knee, okay, knock knee, lordosis, scoliosis. This is 3 is the spinal related. Okay, so after this next is the main knock knee, flat feet, round shoulder and bow legs. Okay, this is also is the body deformities. So after this, how can you improve this deformities? especially few exercises, few yogic exercises. Okay, change our bad habits. It means adopt good habits, sitting, standing, walking, laying, and proper do exercises. It means improve this one deformities. So especially today discuss is the corrective measure for postural deformities, the one by one explained all. Firstly, we will describe is the corrective measure for kyphosis. So especially corrective measure for kyphosis, few exercises is the, for example is the uh, few laying exercises, yeah, especially push-ups, chin-ups, extra also is the more exercises. Yeah, few yogic asan is the especially vajrasan. Okay, yeah, especially is the bhujanga asana also. This is the specially corrective measurement for kyphosis. Okay, many asanas. After this, next today explain is the corrective measure for lordosis. So lordosis especially related is the our body standing position, yeah, curve related problems. Okay, so improve this asana, especially few chin ups related exercises, yeah, especially bent sit ups. Scoliosis also is the, this three is the main common, especially our back problem later. So dear students, this is the especially improving for asan, few yogic asan and exercises, alternate toe touch, yeah, especially chin ups, pull ups, sit ups. So improve this, especially corrective measure for posture deformity. This is the different exercises. After this, next we will explain corrective measure for knock knee. So knock knee is the also is the deformity, especially this deformity is related person not join the forces. ओके, जो भी बच्चे स्पेशली फोर्स के बीच में ज्वाइन होना चाहते हैं, स्पेशली किसी को नॉक नी की प्रॉब्लम हो या फ्लैट फिट प्रॉब्लम हो या एनी वन डिफॉर्मिटीज, ही इज not fitted for forces. Okay, so firstly improve your body postures. It means especially deformities removed all. Okay, so corrective measures for knock knee is the especially horse riding, walking, caliper may also be used, yeah, vrikshasans, padmasans, yeah, outward walking, yeah, especially use medicine ball. This is the specially corrective measure for knock knee. After this, next is the, we'll discuss the corrective measures for flat feet. So flat feet is the especially run bar, footed over clean surface, jumping on toes regularly, continue jumping in the toes in regularly. Yeah, perform rope skipping regularly. Next is raise the body slowly on the heels while standing, body balance on the toes, whereas hand and head are raised up. Yeah, come back in a normal position. Repeat the exercise 10 times. Next is walk on the toes. This is all for corrective measures for flat feet. After this, next is the corrective measures for round shoulder. So round shoulder also is the main corrective measure is the chakrasana, dhanura asana, bhujanga asana, uhast asana. This is all asanas for improving round shoulder. After this, next point is the corrective measures for bow legs. So bow leg also is the opposite to knock knee. So especially walk inward, okay, yeah, alternate toe touch in continue 10 to 20 every day 10 times. Okay, continue 10 repetition in 10 steps. Okay, next is ardha chakrasana, garuda asanas, ardha machendra asana. This is all for corrective measures for bow legs. So dear students, I hope you are understand this topic for corrective measure for posture deformities. So any student doubt for related this topic, so please send me message for this number. So any student doubt for this topic, so after lesson also anytime, please send me message, sir, this one topic correctly measured for posture deformity related doubt. So I am solving for your problem. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much.